Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I show you how to create a countdown widget using the Samsung Calendar app. So you don't even have to open the app, just hold your finger over it and then you will see these functions here. Tap on widgets and select the first one, which is a countdown widget, and click on add. After that, you will have to tap on it, tap on this black thing here so that you can select the event you would like to use. Click on it and then you will have to wait a little bit. Maybe I have to do it again. And that's basically it. You can see how many days are left until this event. I hope this will be useful for you. Have a nice day.